Hi everyone, I'm Janmashri, and in this video I'll cover everything from eligibility criteria to the exam pattern, syllabus and some must-follow preparation tips for MBA Karnataka PGCET. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for previous year's question papers and a detailed syllabus. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk eligibility. To apply for the MBA program through Karnataka PGCET, you need a bachelor degree from a recognized university with minimum of 50% aggregate marks. For candidates belonging to reserved categories, the minimum requirement is 45%. Now let's understand the exam pattern. The Karnataka PGCET for MBA is a paper-based test featuring multiple choice questions. The exam consists of 100 questions divided into 4 sections. First section is proficiency in English language, second one is general knowledge, third one is reasoning and general intelligence, and the last one is quantitative analysis. Each question carries 1 mark and there is no negative marking. The total duration of the exam is for 2 hours. Here is a quick breakdown of the syllabus. Proficiency in English language, focus on grammar, vocabulary, comprehension and sentence correction. General knowledge, stay updated with current affairs, business news and general awareness topics. Reasoning and general intelligence, questions based on verbal and non-verbal reasoning, puzzles and critical thinking. Quantitative analysis, topics include arithmetic, algebra, geometry and data interpretation. For a comprehensive syllabus, check the link in the description below. I know preparing for competitive exams can feel like a huge task, but don't worry, we have got some practical preparation tips to boost your confidence. Tip number 1, start by solving previous year question papers. This will help you to get familiar with the exam format and question types. You can find the links to these papers in the description below. Tip number 2, practice your quantitative analysis regularly. Consistency is a key to mastering this section. Tip number 3, read newspapers daily to stay updated with current affairs and improve your general knowledge. Also, work on enhancing your vocabulary for the English section. And finally, tip number 4, take as many mock tests as possible to track your progress and improve your time management skills. We hope you found this video informative and motivating. If you are preparing for the Karnataka PGCET, drop a comment below and let us know how your preparation is going. And don't forget to subscribe to Let'sPro Academy for more educational content. Best of luck on your MBA journey.